It's the most beautiful time of the year here in Michigan, where golden leaves decorate every home and every roof glows with that autumn sunlight. But for many homeowners, those same leaves can mean one thing: clogged gutters. That's why this home right here is now protected by the #1 gutter protection system in the world, Gutter Helmet. It's not just a cover, it's smart engineering, designed to keep out leaves, pine needles, and debris. Because when the snow starts falling, you want your home ready for every winter day ahead. And when we wrapped up the project, the smile on our customer's face said it all. No more risky cleanups, and no more last-minute gutter panic before winter. And backed by a lifetime transferable warranty. That means peace of mind for you today, and added value for your home tomorrow. That's what we do here at Infinity Home Improvement. Protecting homes, one gutter at a time. Protect your home. Enjoy the seasons. Get your gutter helmet today. The first, the best, the #1 gutter protection in the world.